Hello, hello. A very warm welcome to all our friends joining us for another episode of My Simple English podcast. I am Mark, and I am so happy to be here with you today.
And I am Sarah. Hi, everyone. We are so glad you tuned in. Mark, you look very happy today. Did you have a good morning?
I did, Sarah. I went for a long walk and practiced my Spanish. But sometimes I still feel a little bit stuck. I want to speak with more confidence, but it is hard work.
Oh, I understand that feeling perfectly. Everyone who learns a language feels that way sometimes. But that is why we are here today. Our goal is to help our listeners understand native speakers more easily and sound more natural when they speak.
Exactly. If you are listening right now, you are in the right place. Today's lesson is fun, it is simple, and most importantly, it is very effective.
That is right. We are going to look at how to make plans with friends and how to stay positive when things get difficult. If you listen to this episode many times, you will really start to train your brain to think and speak in English.
I am ready to start. I have my coffee, my ears are open, and I am ready to learn. So, Sarah, today we're talking about a science museum and a space exhibit. But why is this specific topic so useful for our listeners?
Well, Mark, making plans is one of the most common things we do in English. Think about it. Every week, you probably talk to a friend or a coworker about the weekend. You need to know how to ask if they are busy and how to suggest an activity.
That is a good point. If I can't ask, do you have plans, I might miss out on a lot of fun things.
Exactly. And we are also talking about motivation. Many of our friends listening are studying very hard. Sometimes they might feel like they aren't making progress. We are going to learn how to encourage ourselves and others using natural English phrases.
I love that. It's not just about grammar, it's about how we actually talk to each other as friends.
Let's look at our first pattern. This is how we start a conversation about the weekend. Mark, what is the best way to ask a friend about their schedule?
I usually say, do you have plans for Saturday?
Perfect. Do you have plans for? And then you add the day. You can say, do you have plans for tomorrow? Or do you have plans for the summer? It is a very polite way to see if someone is free.
And what if they are not busy? What do they say?
They might say, not really, why? This is a great phrase. It means, I am free, tell me your idea.
Okay, so once I know they're free, I need to invite them. That's our second pattern. Would you like to go with me?
Yes, would you like to is very kind and polite. It's much better than just saying, come with me. You can use this for anything. Would you like to have coffee? Or would you like to see the new movie?
I use that one every day. Now, what about the harder phrases we heard, like no pain, no gain?
That's our third pattern. It's an idiom. No pain means no hard work. No gain means no success. So if you want a good result, you have to work hard. It's like exercise. If your muscles don't work hard, they don't grow.
And the last one, hard work always pays off.
To pay off means to give a good result after a long time. If you study English every day, your hard work will pay off when you can finally have a long conversation with a native speaker.
Let's practice the museum conversation first. I will be the one with the plan, and you be the friend, Lily.
Okay, I'm ready.
Morning, Lily. Do you have plans for Saturday?
Not really. Why?
The new science museum is opening. I heard there's a cool space exhibit with a planetarium show. Would you like to go with me?
That sounds interesting. What time should we get there?
Maybe we can meet at the main entrance at 1 o'clock.
Okay, 1 o'clock is good.
Great, I'll see you then. I'm really excited about the robot display. Oh, and Lily, don't forget your student card for a discount.
I won't. Thanks for the reminder.
That was great. Now let's try the second scenario. I will be the student who is very stressed out about an exam.
And I will be the teacher friend who gives you some encouragement.
Oh, Sarah, I am so tired. I have been studying for this English exam every day and I still don't feel ready.
I understand, Mark, but no pain, no gain, right? You are working so hard.
I hope so. Sometimes I feel like I'm not making any progress at all. It is very frustrating.
Trust me, you are. It just takes time to see the results. Keep studying and it will get better. Hard work always pays off.
I guess you're right. It's just hard to stay positive.
I know, but you are almost there. Keep pushing and you will be so proud of yourself after the exam.
Thanks, Sarah. I'll remember, no pain, no gain. Sarah, I mentioned a student card in our talk. Is that a common thing in the United States?
Oh, absolutely. In the USA and the UK, being a student is great because you can get a discount. A discount means you pay less money.
I remember using my student card at the cinema and the museum. Sometimes you can save $5 or $10.
Exactly. So if you are a student, always carry your ID card. And even if you don't see a sign, you can ask, "Do you have a student discount?" It is very common and very polite.
And what about the phrase, no pain, no gain? Do people say that at work?
They do. We use it in sports, in school, and at work. It's a very American way of thinking. The idea that if you work very hard, you will be successful. We like to encourage people to keep pushing.
Now it's your turn to speak. We're going to do some shadowing. This is the best part of the lesson.
I will say a line, and then Mark will leave a pause. You should repeat the line out loud. Try to copy my voice and my rhythm. Don't be shy.
Morning, Lily. Do you have plans for Saturday? Let's try. Ready?
Morning, Lily. Do you have plans for Saturday?
The new Science Museum is opening.
I heard there is a cool space exhibit.
Would you like to go with me?
Maybe we can meet at the main entrance at 1 o'clock.
Don't forget your student card for a discount.
I understand, but no pain, no gain, right?
Hard work always pays off.
It just takes time to see the results.
Keep pushing and you will be proud of yourself. Excellent work. Repeating these phrases helps your mouth get used to the sounds of English.
We are reaching the end of today's episode. You did a wonderful job today. Remember, learning a language is a journey.
It really is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a lesson with us.
We love hearing from you. Leave a comment below. Tell us, what is your favorite museum? Or what is something you are working hard on right now?
Keep practicing, keep listening, and most importantly, keep having fun with your English.
We will see you in the next episode of My Simple English Podcast.
Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye.